All right, I'm in Caesar's Palace in the high limit room. I just hit the bonus on Lightning Cash. Let's see how I do. Nice. All right, that's a decent hit. All right. Come on now, let's get some more bigger ones. Oh, that's no good. Come on, give me that pearl. Give me the pearl. Aye, that's no good either. Come on, give me that pearl. Or the wild is good too. Yep, that works. I'm good with that one. Alright, now give me the pearl. Pearl, pearl, pearl. Aye. Come on, give me that pearl. Okay. Well, $93. Decent.